Let's take a look at resolving a defect. Defects resolution can take on two different paths depending on the GXP value of the defect. Logged in as a defect manager, we'll start with a formal defect, or a defect with the GXP value of Y. After we've had a chance to review the information that was input by the defect's creator, we can use the Go button to open the VERA action menu and use the Open Investigation function to change the defect status to Open. We'll make sure the correct record is selected and click OK. With the defect in open status, we can conduct our investigation, and based on our findings, we can select a resolution type, and enter details in the Resolution tab. With our resolution details entered, we can open the VERA action menu and choose the Start Verification option. We'll confirm that the correct record is selected and click OK. Now we see that the defect is in Ready to Verify status. We'll want to verify that the resolution that we've detailed successfully corrects the cause of the defect, and then we'll enter the details of the fix that was applied. We'll add a category and put details into the Verification Evidence tab and the Analysis tab. And we'll also add any relevant attachments to support our resolution. With all of the needed information entered, we can open the VERA action menu once again and choose the Start Approval Routes option. We'll make sure that the correct record is selected and click OK. Here we can select the approvers on our approval route, but we'll leave each category set to any approver for our purposes today. Now that our defect is in routing for approval status, we'll wait for the necessary approvers to sign the record. Once they do, we'll see that the defect status has been updated to Closed and the defect is marked Approved. At any point before it is approved, we also have the option to defer a defect that will not be fixed immediately. In this case, we'll have to withdraw our approval route first by using the VERA action menu option by the same name. Then we can open the VERA action menu and choose the Defer Defect option. We'll confirm that the correct record is selected and click OK. And we'll see that the defect status is now deferred. A non-formal or non-GXP defect can be resolved without the need for any approvals. To close these lower impact issues, first we'll open the VERA action menu and choose the Open Investigation option. We'll make sure that the correct record is selected and click OK. We'll select a resolution type and we'll enter details into the resolution field. And then we can simply open the VERA action menu again and choose Close Defect. We'll make sure the correct record is selected and click OK. We'll see that the status has been changed to Closed, but we can easily note that the defect has not been through any approval process.